Hey guys, I've got a couple pro tips for you. If you are listing a lot of property, and in Arizona we have a stem wall. A stem wall is what the house sits on. It's a concrete wall that basically fortifies. The slab, of course, is poured independently, but on the exterior of the stem wall, it definitely deteriorates over time if it's not painted and sealed. So what we've got is we have a stem wall that when you list a property and you're doing an initial walk, you need to pay attention. And because a lot of the inspectors and appraisers, especially VA, FHA, will come in and they will look at the stem wall, and it's this portion of concrete right along down here. This particular client, it was degraded, and I knew it was going to be an issue with the inspector and possible appraiser. Got it skip coated. It's a special concrete that they put on the foundation, and it seals it, and of course it erases any type of imperfection on the exterior of that concrete, because over time concrete does break down. The other thing is when you're looking and you see original AC units, and here's one that actually it's a much better presentation when you have some new paint and the unit looks like it's been maintained. When we first looked at this, it was definitely old and rusty. So you can avert two things when you're listing properties very quickly. Is if you can have the older units painted, get the rust out, there's Rustoleum paint, and then work on the stem walls. So have a great day.